and my phone sound not working problem. So friends, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, first of all, I would like to request you all to please make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive latest videos and informative videos from Android Tips. So let's get started. In this video I will be showing you about how to fix mi phone sound not working. So friends, first thing, you have to check whether your device speaker is damaged or not. So your sound is not working, so it may be because your device speaker has been damaged or because of some settings problem. So friends, I'll show you how to fix with this problem step by step. So step 1, you have to check your device speaker whether it is working or damaged. So how to check your speaker? So friends, you just need to plug in your earpiece or any headphones. So after plugging in, just play some songs. If you are able to listen music, then there might be something wrong with your speaker, your speaker might have damaged. So for that reason, you just need to visit mi stores to replace the speaker. If you have a warranty of your device, then you may get free to change your speaker. So friends, the step 2 will be because of some settings problem. So you just need to go to settings, and then you will find this option, search setting. So you just need to search for just type audio. So friends, you'll find this option 1 2 3 4 options. So you just need to tap audio balance. So it will pop up this kind of interface. So friends, scroll down and you'll find this option audio and on screen text. So friends, you just need to turn on this mono audio. Just turn on and check whether this is in middle or not. This should be in middle, and then the problem is fixed. So friends, that's it. It's very easy and simple. I hope you understand this video. So till then, take care and thanks for watching this video.